A moving average is one of the simplest indicators in technical analysis. A moving average is basically an average value of the price over the last specified number of candles. So, for example, a moving average of period 10 is the average price over the last 10 candles. Moving averages are popular for the following reasons. They can reduce the noise, showing a smoother movement of price. Help detecting trends. Help spotting trend reversals. One of the problems of moving averages is that they are lagging indicators, so they lag behind price, often giving signals too late. Being a very simple instrument, they are usually considered together with other indicators or price action. What is moving average crossover indicator? Moving average crossover indicator with alert is a tool for MetaTrader that can notify you when two moving averages cross each other. Moving average crossover indicator includes two moving averages and displays them on screen. Many trading strategies base their entry and exit signals on MA crossovers. While a MACD indicator shows the crossovers in a histogram chart, this indicator only shows the moving averages. A crossover in two moving averages of different period can indicate a trend reversal. The 3 MA cross with alert MTF indicator for MT4 is a multiple timeframe indicator that works like a normal moving average. The indicator plots 3 multiple timeframe exponential moving averages on the chart. They are faster, medium, and slow MAs. Whenever the two MAs cross each other, the indicator produces a buy or a sell signal. When the crossovers happen, the indicator shows arrows along with diamonds. If it's a bullish crossover, then the indicator plots a blue arrow and diamond. Conversely, if it's a bearish crossover, then the indicator plots a red arrow and diamond. There are a lot of people who are trading using moving averages, MA. The moving average indicator is one of the most popular tools used in trading. The MA crossover MT4 indicator that we provide here will give you a signal with an alert for each crossover of moving average lines that you specify. By using this indicator, you can immediately see when did the MAs cross over. It is also highly reliable because it uses 3 moving average crossovers instead of just 2. Moving average crossover alert indicator for MT4 MT5 MetaTrader platform includes a moving average among its indicators. However, it comes without any crossover notification option. In many cases it is useful to get a notification in some moving average crossover situations because they could be trading opportunities. You can benefit from this alert in both trend following and trend reversal strategies. To help with this missing feature, you can download our moving average crossover alert indicator for MetaTrader 4 and 5. The above pound sterling to US dollar H4 chart shows the buy and sell signals for the indicator. When the slower MA goes above, the faster one, the indicator plots a blue arrow along with a diamond. It means Forex traders can enter a long trade. On the other hand, when the slower MA dips below, the faster one, it's a sell signal. Conservative traders may enter after the appearance of red and blue diamonds. For a more aggressive approach, traders can enter after the emergence of a diamond. Input parameters. The indicator is very flexible and you can set several parameters. Period of the moving averages. Type of the moving averages, simple, exponential, weighed, TAMA, in MT5, and so on. Shift. Type of notifications. Color and size of the signals on the chart. In the above example, the arrow is displayed at the moment when the 5 period, 20 period, and 35 period simple moving averages cross over. The blue arrow gives a buy signal while the red arrow indicates a bearish opportunity to place a sell order. Furthermore, it is often difficult to see the price action clearly when moving average lines are displayed on the chart. This indicator eliminates that disarray and provides clear crossover signals. As a demonstration, the image below shows how the same chart would look like with the moving average lines plotted. Usage tips. The MA crossover indicator should be easy to use if you are trading with the MA crossover system. You can simply place a buy order when the blue arrow appears, and vice versa, place a sell order when the red arrow appears. It also means that when the blue arrow appears equals suggests a trend shift in quote. This is useful in situations when you need to take profits or exit a position. For example, if you had an open sell trade and the blue arrow appears,